Hi, this is Terry Calandra from Calandra Center for Health and Wellness, and this is a short video on how to do self-massage for sinus congestion. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your hands are clean. This is actually a homemade bottle of hand sanitizer that consists of 90% alcohol and also some kukui nut oil to keep your hands nice and soft. Personally, I don't like conventional hand sanitizers because there's too many chemicals in there, so I do make my own. The first thing that you're going to do, you can do this either with massage cream or without. I'm going to show it without first. So you're going to want to massage these acupressure points, and you can kind of get up in there and use a fair amount of pressure, do what feels comfortable. And then swipe out over the eyebrow and do that again. Good. And you can swipe up the forehead. This is really nice if you have headaches and tension. Obviously, your sinuses are not this high into your forehead, but it feels really nice as part of this massage. And also, if you continue to do it at the end of the night when you wash your face and do your nightly routine, it also helps to decrease on wrinkles. So massage by the eyebrows and up and over. You can go all the way down to the ears and the temples and kind of massage in that area as well. So this is really nice if you have a headache. Then you're going to go to this point right here, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to massage and swipe out towards the ears, up over the sinuses. And do that a couple of times. Now you can also do this with your facial cream at night, or you can utilize essential oils as well. There's two that I personally like. I like doTERRA simply because of the fact that they are sourced from reputable places, as well as they don't use chemical in their processing. So the ones that I use are Breathe, or peppermint oil is also really nice. You just take a drop. If you're using an essential oil on the skin, you do want to use a carrier oil or a carrier cream. I use Cetaphil simply because it tends to be very gentle, but you don't have to use that particular brand. Just make sure that it's unscented. So you take a little bit of your cream, and then you take your essential oil and you put just a drop on with the essential oil, and you rub it rub it on your hands. And then make sure you do not get this in your eyes. If you get it in your eyes, you are going to regret it. So make sure that you're up in this area and come down and around, and same thing on here, and go up and around. With the essential oil, it's really nice to do in the ears. You can massage if you tend to have neck tension or get jaw pain. You can massage in this area. Personally, when I get sinus congestion, I find that it tends to affect my ear as well. So doing the massage in this area helps a lot. You can also put the essential oil on the back of your neck or on your chest. And all of these things will help you to keep your sinuses as open as possible without having to take a decongestant. I hope that you guys find this information useful, and we'll see you soon.